another game. This is called the Knock the Guards. Now, I actually made up this game about 3 years ago. This is a great game. Now, we're going to use 2 dice this time. If you played the game called Greedy Pig with me, you know what the outcome is. If I roll a regular dice, the outcome is either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So rolling 1 dice, there'll be 6 different outcomes. Now, if I roll 2 dice, and I'm going to add the numbers, for example, this case 1 and 2, that's a 3. Now, how many different outcomes are there if I roll 2 dice? That's my first question. Let's pause the video. You can write down your thinking, you can say it, or you can just think about it. Let's pause the video. So let's think about the smallest number I get. If I get 1 and 1, my result would be 1 plus 1 is 2. If I get 6 and 6, my result will be 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now, yes, I get 3. I can see it. Do I get 4? I can make 4. 1 and 3. 4 can happen. 5 can happen. 6, like 3, 3. 7, 3 and 4. 8 can happen. 5 and 3 can make 8, so 8 can happen. 9 is possible, like 5 and 4. 10 is possible. 11, 5 plus 6 is 11. And 6 and 6, 12. So there are this many outcomes if I roll 2 dice. Are we good? Now, when we roll a 1 dice, chance of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 are all equal. They're even. Now, is it the same? Do I have better chance to get 12, or better chance to get 8, or 3, or they all have even chance? Let's think about it. Let's pause the video. You can write down your opinion, you can think about it, or you can say your opinion. Let's pause the video. So some of you said that it is difficult to get 2 and 12, or some of you might have said they're all even. You get the same chance to get 2, 5, 6, 8, or 12. So this game possibly can give you a bit of sense what happens when you roll 2 dice. So are you ready? When we play Knock the Guards, firstly I have to write your name. Now I don't know your name, so I just put you, right? Now it's like a clock face. I'm going to write 12, I'm going to write 6 underneath it. Now, remember 12 is the largest number I can get. Now, it's like a clock face. I'm going to write 3 and 9, and I'm going to fill the gap. 5, 7 and 8, then a 10 and 11. Well, I added game sheet underneath this video so you can download and play. But hey, or you can just write. You can draw this on the piece of paper. Now, I'm going to pause the video so you can prepare your game sheet. You need to do this, and you just put you in the middle as me, or you can just write TK on it. So let's pause the video. Let's prepare your game sheet. The game is quite simple. If I knock out all the bodyguards before you knock out mine, I win. If you eliminate my bodyguards before I eliminate yours, you win. To eliminate, after roll 2 dice, this case is 9, I can cross out your number 9 bodyguard. Does it make sense? Now, looking at this game sheet, I have an issue. I don't think we can play this game yet. Look at the game sheet, look at what's on the board. Let's pause the video. What's wrong with this? Let's pause. So you may have found it If I roll 2 dice, I never get a 1. I cannot have number 1. So I have to eliminate number 1. Now this is a bit of a fun part of this game. See, there's a little gap there. We need to fill the gap. I'm going to roll 2 dice and I'm going to stick the number in a little gap there. So ready. This is your extra bodyguard. 4 and 3. It's a 7. So you have an extra bodyguard. Now it's your turn. Can you roll 2 dice and give me an extra bodyguard? Let's pause the video. So are you ready? Let's play. I go first. 8. I can eliminate your number 8. Your turn. Right, my turn. I'm going to roll 2 dice again. 6. Your turn. My turn again. 8. I've already crossed 8, so I cannot knock any numbers here. Now, if this is too quick, you can pause the video in between. So your turn. My turn. 8 again. I can cross 8. Your turn again. My turn. 8. This is ridiculous. Your turn. My turn. 2. I can cross out your number 2. Your turn. My turn. 5. Your 5's gone. Your turn. My turn. 5. It's gone. Your turn. My turn again. 9. Your turn. My turn. Remember, if this is too quick, you can pause the video anytime. 7. I have 2 7s here. I can cross out only one of them. Your turn. My turn again. 11. Your turn. My turn. 6. It's already gone. Now I'm going to stop this video now. Now I'm going to stop this game now because this might take a long time. But what numbers have you, or what numbers do I still have on your game board? Do you still have 7 or 8? Or do you have 9? Or do you still have 2 and 12? Now, you can play this game with your parents or your brothers and sisters or friends, but some of you might know it is difficult to get 12 or 2 only because 12 you can get 6 and 6. You have no other options. For example, to get an 8, I have an option like 2 and 6, 3 and 5, 4 and 4, 5 and 3, 6 and 2. There are different options to get 8, but 12, only 6 and 6. 2 is only 1 plus 1. That is why sometimes it's very difficult to get 12 or 2. So this is my last question to you. When we roll 2 dice, you might get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12. These are different outcomes you can get. 12, remember we had blue and green dice? So, green and blue. I can get 6 and 6 to get 12. 1 and 2. 1 and 1 to get number 2. For example, if I get 9, I can get. Can I do 1? 1 and 8? No, 8 doesn't work because a regular dice has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So to get 9, I have to get 3 and 6, 4 and 5, 5 and 4. Oh, it does look like 9. It looks like 9. 6 and 3. So 12, there's only one option. Not to get 9, there are 4 options. Which number has the most options here? You can fill this table to find out what number has the most options. So this is your last activity you can have. Otherwise, you keep playing your knock the cards.